Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon, what's good? The goal today is to get my coupe started. Let's go. What is good, fam? Today we are going to be going to AutoZone to get a battery and a crankshaft position sensor so then we can get my coupe started. Hopefully we can get my coupe started. Let's go. I know y'all want a cold start. I know y'all want a cold start. I know y'all want to.
What is that noise?
Wasn't her mine. It's $44.99. I do have one here.
Okay.
It is the Duralast and it comes with a lifetime warranty.
Oh shoot. Okay.
You want me to go snag that one up for you?
Yeah, I'll take that and a battery. Battery.
In a what?
A battery.
Battery?
Yeah. If you bring the old one, doesn't it take some money off or something like that?
Well, you don't have to pay the core charge if you bring the old one. Okay. Just when you get it out, you bring it back, you get the 22 reimbursed. Okay.
Chill, man. Doing the thing. Getting that thing right. Little pocket too. Yeah.
Batteries.
Mhm.
Okay. So
That's
they'll
cool.
recycle those for you.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. So the only battery.
See how small it is?
Shit's fire. You for the swing?
Nah, that works.
All right. Is that all you need today?
That'll do it.
What's your phone number?
It's 919.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
Just bumped into Taylor.
What's up, bro?
That shit's crazy, yo. It's a small ass world.
Whack.
Made it back to the crib. About to go put that battery in there. Let's see what she can do. See if she can turn on or something. Shit.
And as always, don't forget, hit that like, subscribe, and hit that bell. I appreciate you guys for watching always.
This is an EWS module. This is the part I had to replace. Just $500 for this one part.
Well, that seems nice.
The battery was really rusty in the bolts, they didn't change them, so I had to spend a lot of time trying to get that off.
Oh.
If y'all want to see the battery tray, this is what it looks like. Just showing y'all. And we're about to put the new battery in. And let's hope this thing starts.
Here. There's another screw on this side. There's 2 clips. This is a mass airflow sensor. I had to take it off and clean it because, yeah. We are in the coupe. Here's the key. We're about to see if this thing will go ahead and start up for us.
Just a warning for the high-pitched squeal noise. Let's go! It started. Hey, don't know what to do. Hit that freaking like, hit the subscribe to make this world go round.
up? Yes, sir.